Quick speedrun cleaning. 안녕하세요, 제 이름은 나미입니다. Hi, it's Nami. Because I have to go to the gym in like 30 minutes. I need to speedrun this clean. So, I have a bunch of clothes that I need to organize. A bunch as in like a bunch. Where do I start? Let's just start. So, Thunder Pants. Honestly, this is my first cleaning video. I don't know what I'm supposed to talk about, but I do have to put up my clothes away. So here's me cleaning and putting my clothes away. Maybe I should just fast forward this whole video and it should just be I have a whole bunch of new pants from Temu that I have to somehow fit in my closet. I'm thinking of hanging them, but I'm not sure where they'll go. Because I don't have enough hangers. I might have enough space, but not enough hangers. I only have 4 hangers and like 5,000 pants. I have a lot of black clothes for work. So I should put my blazer here at the back. I have this ninja skirt. This ninja skirt I feel like needs to go where my skirts go. Skirt. I have this sleeve that's more of an accessory, so I'll put it where my accessories go. Oh, I have more hangers here. Perfect. These are more like joggers, so I'll put them at the bottom where my exercise pants are. This is a bolero. I'll put it here. Bolero. I'm actually distraught because I have a bunch of black pants for work, and both of my workplaces require me to wear black. Well, the first one at the restaurant, they do require me to wear black, so I have to wear black. But the second one, the hair salon, doesn't require me to wear black, but it's better if I wear black because then I won't get my clothes dirty with stuff from hair color and stuff. So it is better for me to wear black so my clothes don't get stained. Let's move on to the next. That was quick. Why did I procrastinate this? The next little section here is for dresses and blouses. I'm gonna put my dress in here. And then I have a bunch of clothes in here that I need to organize. Let's bring you closer. Da-da-da. Ah! I really like this dress, but it's always hard to hang because it's an off shoulder. But we'll make do. We'll just hang it on shoulder. Beige, beige, beige. Beige is after pink. Right here. I don't have much space here. And I don't have much occasion to wear my blouses. Because why do I have so many a dress and so many a blouse, but nowhere to wear them because I can't wear them to work. I can wear them to school. Since if I wear them to work, they'll get stained. Okay, I'm gonna put my bleached top into my athletic and swimwear clothes because that's where they are better off. My uniform, black pants, black dress. And then the final dress in here is a green dress. I actually do like this dress. I think it's pretty. Perfect. Last hanger here. Green goes right here. Green. Okay. Next is my sets and my tops and skirts and bottoms. I'm overwhelmed. Okay, one at a time. One at a time. Long sleeve top. Long sleeve tops, purple. Oh my gosh, my tops are exploding, but why do I feel like I always don't have anything to wear when I do have things to wear? Black top, I'm gonna put it in with my black tops, even though oh no, I should leave it with my sets. I'm gonna leave it here with my sets because it's a two-piece top set. Black. And then my black skirt I'm gonna leave here too because it's a skirt. What's this? Another black skirt. This one is hard to wear at work because it keeps riding up. I should wear it only on dates. Another skirt. My little plaid skirt. Purple, purple. You go right here. Oh, I have this set. It's a short and top set. I was gonna wear this to my interviews, but I actually had a hard time getting interviews, so we're gonna forego that. My skinny jeans, apple bottom jeans, boots with the fur, The whole crowd was looking at her. Hey! She hit the floor. Next thing you know. Okay, another set. This is a pajama set. I'm gonna quickly throw this in to the top where the sets go. I'm running out of batteries. So my mom gave me this sweater. Oh, it's cute. Oh, it's so cute. It's a sweater vest with little pearl detailing. I actually like this. I'm gonna put it on here as outerwear. And that's all the cleaning I could do for today. So this is part 1, I guess, because I think I need to make a part 2. Anyway, thank you for watching. Bye. Love you. See you next time.